Welcome to our journey into the heart of nature's masterpiece, where time has sculpted magnificent mountain rocks adorned with vibrant vegetation. Today, the Gabriel TV invites you to immerse yourself in the captivating story that these ancient rocks and their resilient companions have to share. Coming to you here live from this place where, as you can see, is Igho Jangombe. This is a famous place here in the area of Mbololo in Forest County, Taita Taveta. So after here, we shall take a tour inside these rocks to actually explore and see. Today is a appreciating nature day. We shall walk here, we shall explore, and we shall shoot some videos as explained. For countless years, these towering rocks have stood tall, witnessing the ever-changing tapestry of life. They have become a sanctuary for a rich and diverse array of plant life, patiently nurturing a fragile balance between strength and beauty. Here, where the sky, the earth, the magic of nature unfolds. From the gentle embrace of moss to the fiery determination of wildflowers, every element of this vibrant ecosystem has found its rightful place. Rocks, once bare and exposed, have become a living canvas painted with the hues of life itself. But this ancient alliance extends beyond the realm of plants. These rocky fortresses have become a haven for a myriad of creatures seeking shelter and sustenance. From the graceful flights of eagles to the scampering of nimble mountain goats, this ecosystem is a testament to the harmony between nature's elements. As the sun gently kisses the mountaintops, painting the sky in a symphony of colors, we are reminded of the resilience and enduring spirit of nature. These mountain rocks and their lush vegetation stand as a testament to the beauty and power that can emerge from the passage of time. The whispers of the wind, the stoic rocks, and the vibrant vegetation come together to tell a story that has a captivating heart for centuries. Let us cherish and protect these natural wonders
so that future generations may also be awed by their timeless beauty. For the Gabriel TV, my name is Mokoma Gabriel.